Hey everybody, Jonathan from Buffalo Modular Homes, and I'm here in Ellicottville, New York on the site of our City Pod design. We have a detached garage here, which I'll show you in just a minute, and you can see we've made some progress on the porches, so we'll go through the whole thing and show you just kind of where we're at in the process of this project. I know everybody's excited about it. So here you see we have the very clearly and very far detached garage, but you see we did this this really nice wood grain door. So it's not an actual wood material, but obviously it looks very much so like wood. You see the vertical siding on the outside, black tuxedo vertical siding. We have a covered entrance over here on this side, just a small covered entrance here, adding some character, and we kind of kept that roof line, that mono roof line, to match the house, which you can't see from this profile. You can see from the side though, and I'll show you here what that ends up looking like. So as I kind of approach the house, you can see we have the structure built for the front deck porch. The back one is done other than the stairs for it. We'll take a look at that in a minute as well. But I wanted to give you a sense for kind of how this comes together. So we'll come all the way up to the side because that's probably the easiest spot for you to see what we're looking at here. So here we go. So you can see we have the mono roof line of the house itself, right? And then we have the walkout basement, all their sliding glass doors. And then we come back with the, reverse roof line for the front porch here, right? Because, if you carry it straight up, becomes, while it looks pretty neat, becomes not overly useful, right? Because, there's rain that's clearly going to come in through the side, and, it's not really providing much covering. So this is the design we went with. I think it looks really good. It works out really nicely with the garage as well. And so let's walk through this together. I just need to wipe my shoes off because they are full of mud here. It's been raining all day. So got the boots wiped off underneath the covering, so I'm not getting rained on now, even though it's raining here. But just wanted to give you a sense for the structural integrity of this porch and just the overwhelming size of this, right? So you got these 3 sliding glass doors. We went over this last time when we did this, the video on this house, but the porch wasn't built yet. So you get a sense for how much this porch is kind of taking over the entire house and provides this really great covered, covered patio space for these 3 sliding glass doors on the basement level. So we come inside, still in the framing stage here, electrical's being run and all that kind of stuff down here. So I won't go through that. We went through that in the last video. What I do want to show you is how those porches kind of turned out upstairs in terms of the scale of them, and just giving you a sense for how that feels on this house. So let's go up to the front porches here first. Okay, so I'm not going to step out there because that would not be safe. But I wanted to give you a sense for kind of how this comes together. This is 12 feet deep, okay? So you get a sense for what that would feel like. 12 feet is certainly enough space to actually be able to walk out, have a table, and that sort of thing, and not be overly cramped, right? And it's the entire width of the house, so it's 56 feet in length, right? But we didn't do the covering over the whole thing, right? Covering is only over a portion of it. It's partially just to let in some more light in here and that sort of thing, but we didn't do the covering over the whole thing. And then we have the back porch here. This is an uncovered porch. Trex deck's already on this one. I don't know if you saw the material in the front for the front porch, but you can see this one's already on. This is 12 foot as well, okay? And it's 32 feet in length. 32 feet, okay? A beautiful property here, right? You got the woods all around you. You got the ski country. It's just, all season long, it's beautiful here. The other thing I wanted to show you is we got the kitchen cabinets in. So just some interesting design pieces on this. First of all, we went with the Indigo Luna cabinets from Fabuwood. This is a manufacturer of cabinets that we use. We get them through Bison, our local supplier. They do a great job supplying a lot of our cabinets and flooring and stuff. But just give you a sense for this color, what this actually looks like, right? My shadows are actually on here, so let's turn this way. I'll give you a better sense for that color. But the other piece that's kind of interesting here is when you have a 9-foot ceiling like we have on this house, you actually form this interesting situation where you can't just take a stack of cabinets and go straight to the ceiling and hit the ceiling. What you'll have to do is either leave a gap, or you do what we did here where you do a double stack of cabinets. So we have an extra 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets up above these cabinets on the wall, forming this double stack, which will allow our crown to finish this out and carry it straight to the ceiling. Plus, we did additional cabinets on the backside of this island, which, you know, extra storage and that sort of thing makes this island really, really big, which is awesome. You can basically just kind of become a, you know, eat-in kitchen space, really. You have space for your dishwasher, sink, range, refrigerator over there, right? And then you can see the garbage pull-out cabinet. Did a big garbage pull-out cabinet here for this. The handles aren't on this yet. So just a few pieces that I wanted to go over with you from the last video in terms of what's been updated. Keep watching. We'll continue to post new videos as things come up, as we continue to make progress on this project and on the other projects that we have going on. We've got projects going on all over Western New York. You can see from, you know, around the area as well when we get into the Catskills and things like this as well. So keep watching. Hope this is helpful to you as you're considering your project, as you're kind of figuring out what you want to do. Maybe you're thinking about the city pod design or something else. Either way, seeing designs come together can be really helpful for fleshing out your own ideas and getting a sense for what you want to do for yours. Thanks for watching.